Hello guys, welcome back to the layout, here with an actual layout update this time. Nothing has changed too much all the way down there, but I have worked on the lift out section and completing this curve into the lift out section. So the way I tackled this interesting little project was essentially using Derek Glass's thought up method, taking these little pins from the UK. For support to prevent or correct the warping, what I did is I took a bunch of spare 2x4 and I screwed, nail glued them to the underside of the bridge. Now the big challenge here with this lift out section is that it's going over basically a 90-degree angle, and trying to get that supported was a little extra difficult because what the track and bridge wanted to do was to lean toward the outside. So to correct that, I installed this basically this latch that normally goes for a gate, and that keeps this part lifted properly. You can kind of see there's some play there. So I just had this in, I had everything screwed down. Then I installed this in the lock position, and it held that in place. So here we are with the bridge lifted out. You can kind of see here the pins. The reason these are flipped is because I just did brain fart, and that's how they ended up. But then we come over here. Here's the other pins. They're both right side up. And the track will continue down. I have one micro-engineering bridge. I'm going to get a couple others, and I'll have the deck girders on either side of this Walters truss bridge, and I've already gotten the Walters bridge track. I've got 2 of those to span the entire way. Now the next project I'm probably going to work on, at least a little bit, is making a control panel. Now yes, I'm controlling everything with JMRI, but me being me, I also kind of like the old style way with the new technology. So what I've done is I found a push plate at Home Depot. It's 8 inches by 16 inches. And right now, since it's still in the plastic, I kind of drew a very rough schematic of how the layout will end up there. All I really want to do is be able to control the main line, and this siding, and this siding. And this will be located over there, right under the lumberyard where those boxes are. So I've bought 3mm and 5mm bicolor red-green LEDs. Some pinstripe tape, this is automotive tape, in 1/8 and 1/4 inch. I've bought some metal LED holders, 3mm and 5mm. And then I have also got 35, I think, or I got a whole bunch of these single pull, double throw, momentary on-off on. So the way I plan for this to work, we'll see what actually happens, is the switches that are controlled by the Tortoise Switch machines, by the SE8C, will have push buttons. So it'll be here, this crossover, and where you see the really big black dots. The NCE, they'll actually have the toggle switches, the momentary toggle switches. That's here, 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 for example. And then what I plan to do is put an LED on each line, the 5mm on the main line, 3mm on the sidings, and they'll just, switch from green to red depending which way the switch is thrown.